If I was to start my website design journey all over again, I definitely would do things differently. Now, in the past 2 years, I've made over $150,000 building websites for different people all around the world. And I can truly say that if I knew what I knew right now, I definitely would have made a whole lot more money. If you're thinking of getting into website design or you are a more experienced website designer, this video will show you step by step everything that I know right now that can help you accelerate your website design journey. This is exactly what I would do if I was to start all over again as someone who builds websites as a way of making money online. But before I get into it, I just want to make an announcement that I've got a website design group, which I call the Web Design Collective, which is a special group of people from around the world who are learning how to build websites using the exact same tools that I'm going to talk about in this video. And in this group, we actually show you how to build complete websites in a day, how to use artificial intelligence to help you to know exactly what to write on websites and to get them to rank higher on Google. We also show you how to find your first client within a few days of joining the group. And then we teach you how to create high converting websites so that you can charge more money. And when I'm talking about more money, I'm talking about $1,000 or more per website. Not only that, I'm available in the group all the time to answer questions, to chat and provide support. Plus, we also do live weekly trainings where we show you how to grow your website design business. Now, to join this group, it's $47 per month. But we're running a special offer where it's the first 25 people to join can actually sign up for $19 per month. After that, the price increases to $37 per month for the next 25 people, and then $47 per month for the people after that. So if you're interested in signing up or knowing more, click the first link in the description of this video and sign up for the Web Design Collective. Now, the big difference between what I know now and what I didn't know when I started doing website design is that you can actually build websites faster and better if you're using no-code tools. Now, traditionally, in order for you to learn website design, you have to spend countless hours either at university or doing some online courses that teach you how to code. When you're learning to code, you have to learn stuff like Python, C++, Java, SQL, and a whole lot of other programming languages that will take you hours and hours to understand. First, you understand the programming language, and then you build a website. But now, instead of doing all that, I use a special no-code tool, which is called Creator HQ, which allows me to build a website within 10 minutes. Now, to show you how simple and easy this is, let me demonstrate. You just simply go to www.creatorhq.com. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. You click it, and as you can see, it's a platform or a tool that you can use to run your online business. You can simply click on start a free trial, then you get a 14-day free trial. Or normally what I like to do is that I just come to the template section, and then I select a template that looks good, that represents the type of company that I want to build a website for. To get an idea, I can just simply scroll down to see all the different templates, or I can use the menu option that's here to the left. Now, let's say that I want to build a website for a new gym that's specifically for helping women to get fit. They do yoga classes and other types of fitness for women. Here's an example of a template that I can use. It's called Porsche. And I can just click here where it says view to see what the website looks like. As you can see, it's got this nice, beautiful nude colors. You can change here where it says company and put the company logo. You can change the menu options. You can change the background colors to whatever colors you want. There's a nice image here of a fit woman to demonstrate the results that the gym will help people to get. There's a section here where they can pull out the ideal client and just speak more about what exactly they're offering, and then there are buttons for people to sign up. If you scroll down, you see that it's just a website that has already been built. It looks good, looks amazing, and you can simply just come in here and edit all the details, and just like that, you've already created a website for your new client. To get started with this template, you just click here where it says start with this theme, and then you're going to register on the next page. You're going to enter your name, your email address, create a new password, and then click I'm not a robot. That is if you're not a robot. And then you're going to click on submit. Then next is going to ask you to give your website a title. I'm just going to call this test because it's a test to show you how it works. Click on submit. Then it's going to start building the website for you. Then within about 5 seconds, this page pops up. And as you can see, it's saying, hey, Marshall, because it recognizes my name. And then it says, check out this short introduction video. This video is going to explain to you how the platform actually works and how to actually edit and how to actually start building your website. So I'd recommend that you actually watch the video. But for now, I'm just going to close it and show you how simple and easy it is to change all this. For example, starting off with the logo, I can just put my mouse there, click on that wheel, click where it says company. I'm going to highlight all the text, and I'm just going to call this Malaba Gym, right? My surname plus the word gym. As you can see, as I'm typing it out, it's actually appearing right there at the top. If I want, I can also change the font. Like I can just highlight the text again and then change the font. Let me say I'll select Helvetica, make it bold. I can change the text color to black, and then I can remove the background outline like that so that it appears like this. Once I'm done, I just click out and then I make sure I click on save. Then I can come to this next section where I can type in something like Malaba Gym, where we help you. Then I'll come to this next part and say, get the body you are proud of, so that this statement actually makes sense. Then if I don't want this other section at the bottom, I can just click on it, click on delete and say yes. And then if I want this to be just one sentence, I can just put my mouse here and then just drag like this so that it's two sentences, sorry, not one sentence. And then where it says explore courses, I can just double click on that and change it and say programs instead, because it's going to be different fitness programs. So I can go ahead and do the same thing on all the different sections. Here I can put like testimonials of real people that the business actually has. Here I can change and use actual photos of people who are actually attending at the gym. And then I can put more details about the business owner. Then I can put the different classes that they're offering in the gym. Then I can put a short video where either the business owner or maybe activities are being done in the gym so that people have got a visual outlook of exactly how it works. Now, when you're done making all the changes, you should always remember to click on save. And then if you want to preview what the actual website looks like, you can just click right here at the top, and then you'll see that this is what your completed website actually looks like. Also, if you want to know what it will look like on phones, you can just come here at the bottom and click on phone view. And as you can see, you can edit the phone view and you can see what it will also look like on the mobile phone. Now you can try out Creator HQ for free. The link is in the description of this video. You can get a 14-day trial to try it out. And also, like I mentioned, we've got the Website Design Collective. This is the exact same tool that we teach people how to use so that they build websites in minutes. So rather than going to school and learning how to code, this is the exact tool that I would use to build websites. But another question that you might have is, Marshall, okay, I see the structure of the website, but how do I know what to write on the website? Because the main difference between a website designer who sells websites for $15,000 and a website designer who is struggling to sell websites for $250 is their ability to know what to write on a website and make it function in a certain way that they get certain results for clients. Now, to become a website designer who gets paid more money, you need to learn what's called conversion rate optimization. Conversion rate optimization is simply the process of you setting up a website and writing website copy that converts and helps websites create great or fantastic results for the business owners. The big mistake that most website designers make, and especially people who learn how to code, is that they focus mostly on the visual aspect of the website, but not the problem-solving aspect of the website. Every single website solves a problem. Now, let me give you a scenario. If you find a business owner who does not have a website, but has been in business for the past 15 years and their business is doing well, how can you convince them to get a website if they've never seen the use of it? Rather than saying to them, I will make for you a nice, beautiful looking website, you need to understand the specific problems that that business has that a website can produce a solution for. For example, that business might be getting a lot of clients, but one problem that they face is that a lot of people keep phoning them, asking them, what's your location? And then the business owner needs to tell them over the phone how exactly those people can find their location. A simple way that a website can solve that problem is that by them being visible on Google, people can see their address and get a GPS location such that they can drive to the business and not have to call in and ask for directions. This gives the business owner more time to focus on running the business and taking care of actual customers that walk in than spending time on the phone telling people how to get to their location. That's just an example, and there are many other examples that I can give. But one simple way of actually learning this is just by going to Google and typing in CRO or conversion rate optimization. You'll find a lot of great videos that will teach you practically how to do conversion rate optimization. And the reason why I'm showing you YouTube is because a lot of these courses in coding and degree programs will not teach you this. And that's why a lot of website designers are struggling to get high-paying clients. When you figure this part out, you will get paid more money. Now, what I recommend that you do is that you watch a couple of these videos and learn more about conversion rate optimization. And then also go into Creator HQ, build your own website, practice playing around with the templates so that you get a feel of what it's like to build websites. And then your next step is to simply go in and start looking for clients. Charge them money and get paid for building websites that normally would take you maybe 3 weeks to 3 months to build a website. Build websites in 3 to 4 days using Creator HQ. But now you might be asking yourself, but Marshall, how exactly do I find these clients? That's why I created a community called the Website Design Collective, where you can meet up with many other website designers or aspiring website designers from around the world and learn their different strategies of how they find clients. Inside of the collective, I actually show you 5 different ways to get clients, and one of those ways actually guarantees that you can get a website client within the first 3 days of after you've built your website. So if you want to join a community that will teach you how to build high converting websites, it will teach you how to charge more money for website designs, how to find clients, plus give you a community of people who are like-minded, who will encourage you and will share their best tricks and tips with you. Plus get access to me to mentor and coach you through your website design journey. Once again, the link is in the description of this video. You can sign up for the Website Design Collective, $47 per month. But if you sign up today for the first 25 people, it's going to be $19 per month. And hey, if you feel like you've got enough value from it and you no longer need it, you can cancel anytime. There are no contracts or obligations. This is the type of community that I wish I had when I started out my website design journey. It would have helped me to make more money in a shorter space of time. But then if you're not yet too sure and you want to see practically how exactly I'm able to build a website in just one day, in fact in 30 minutes, check out this video next, which will show you step by step me building a website in 30 minutes.